right, I'm going to bring up to the stage a very important musician in Dad's whole life and all of ours. You guys probably recognize him. You guys, it's the one and only David Mosher.
Mark and I, well, we all, the Raisin Pickers, a lot of our rehearsals in that room right there were about writing and arranging the songs that we were writing and finding and using. And this is a tune that he started writing and asked me if I would help. It was about the Deepwater Horizon when it burned up, exploded, and you know, his love for New Orleans and all that. And so I helped him put it together, and this is what we came up with this time. It's called The Back of My Boat. From the back of my boat, out of Plaquemines Parish, I worked the inland waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Like my daddy before me, his before him, I fish for the whitefish, it's all that I know. It was April 19th when everything changed. We lost 11 good men to explosion and flames. Down at the bar we were gathered as one, watching the horizon as it burned like the sun. I dragged these waters for days last week, and my nets, they were empty like I've never seen. The lawyers are coming now in their shiny suit coats, but those suits, they know nothing about the back of my boat. Now the lawyers, like ants, they come to make amends. They say it'll be alright as they hand us their pens. They say, sign here, the money's gonna flow. Better take it now before the bait stores close. Now Coco is giving up, gonna leave when he can. Dufour says he's lost it all, it's the end of Chauvin. The lawyers have come and gone, and don't you give up hope. But me, I'm tired of cleaning black crude oil off the back of my boat. Pocket at the end of Grand Isle, staring at a rainbow covering the sea, miles and miles of slick where the redfish should be. And I'm tired and weary, I'm weathered and worn, but I won't leave this town where my granddad was born. The lawyers can come and go in shiny suit coats, hanging on with both of my hands to the back of my boat, to the back of my boat, to the back of my boat. One more. Thanks, Mark, for all the time.
Thank you, Mark.
We were brothers. Still are.
Great songs. It's so nice to hear you singing that, David.
Yeah,
Thank you.
From now on, as the Raisin Pickers go on.
That's right. Wow.
Who's booking now? Who's doing the promo and everything else?
Yes, and everything else.
Paying for the band. All right, I don't know.